Hi, everybody. So you may not know it, but hearing loss among teenagers is on the rise. Dr. Nakai Butler is here to talk about why. Doctor, what's going on here?
Well, a lot of people are just not aware that loud sounds over time can contribute to hearing loss. So hopefully we can pass some more information along about that so people can be more aware and prevent this problem.
You know, I always wondered, does it hurt matters that kids are wearing these big giant, the Dr. Dre headphones and the music's blaring? Does that have a cause to this?
It certainly does. It certainly does. Really, it's the actual listening device. So like the iPod that they're listening to, they can actually crank out pretty loud sounds up to 115 decibels, which is very dangerous for listeners.
Are headphones or ear pods better or worse, or does it not matter?
It actually does matter. When the best thing to keep the noise down or the levels of personal listening device down is to have a good set of fitting earphones. So if you have the over-the-ear kind, you're actually blocking out more background noise, and you're actually more likely to turn down the volume. But when you use those earbuds, the standard ones that come with an iPod, those have a poor fit. They let in a lot of background noise, and that kind of drowns out what the person wants to listen to on their iPod. Therefore, they tend to turn the volume up to those dangerously loud levels.
And real quick, is there a certain age where kids should not be using earbuds or earphones?
Certainly not. I would just encourage parents to be aware if their child is listening to these iPods or personal listening devices to go to the settings and actually lower the maximum output of those devices.
Dr. Nakai Butler, the website is DallasEarCare.com. I'm Grant Stinchfield.